Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about Fourier. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to find that is about f. So that is about the range from b to negative b. Then we divide by 2, and this one we have b. Now let's go to the next one. So this is about the formula we need to concentrate in here about a0, an, bn. That is about this one. The first thing we know that f that is about b, so we put b go for f in here. So for this one we simplify b, and we have an s, and this one we have an s. F of s that is about this one. Let's just provide in here. About the bounds, we need to start from negative b to positive b because we have this one in here. And now we put s plus b go in here. And here. So this one f that is about b. So we simplify b. We have an s and an s. So about a0 that is from here. The integration of s we have s squared over 2. About b we have bs. And we put the bounds from negative b to positive b. So I will put b go in here and here. Negative b go in here and here. And this one we have 2b. Now let's consider about this one and this one. So I will go to this one only. So for this one we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s plus b. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to the s. The v that is about cosine and s ds. The integration of this one we have v equal to 1 over n sine and s. So this one we have u multiplied by v. And we put the bounds from negative b to positive b. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, so we have 1 over n in here. and then we have the integration from negative b to positive b, and we have sin nx dx. The integration of this one with the negative in here, that is about positive 1 over n cosine nx, and we put the bounds from negative b to positive b. So this one, if we calculate, and we have 2b sine bx over n. Now you can do similar for the second one, and this one we will have, that should be like this. Now if we have everything in here, we go back to this one. So we have a 0 that is about 2b in here, and an that is about this one, and we just divide by b in here, and we just have 2 sine bx over n. Bn that is about this one, but we need to multiply by b in here. So we have like this. Now we need to simplify. This one we have an s. This one we have an s. Next, we have number 2 divided by number 2. We have b. So this one we need to separate them in here, and that should be like this. And this one we have 2 cosine bn over n sin nx. And now let's go to put about the terms in here. Let's say if I put n equals to number 1, so we put number 1 everything in here, and you will have about this one is about n not s, sorry about that. So if we put n equals to number 1, we have sine b that is about 0, sine b that is about 0, cosine b that is about negative number 1. So this one we will have about number 2 sine of s. Now if I put n equals to number 2, that should be about negative number 1 sine of 2x. So that means when we put n1, n2, n3, everything in here, you got 0, because sine of 3b, sine 2b, 1b, and so on here, they always equals to number 0. And now if we go n equals to number 3, we will have about 2 over 3 sin 3x. So if we simplify, and we will have like this. And now we put number 2 for the factorization. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.